Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Boston Whaler 210 Dauntless. Give you a little spec information first. The boat is a 8-foot 6-inch beam. It has a weight of approximately 3,600 pounds with fuel, water, gear, etc. And it has a fuel capacity of about 75 gallons. We'll begin here on the transom. As you'll see, this boat is equipped with the new Mercury 200 V6. Great new product from Mercury we're really excited about. You'll also notice the bat wing design on the transom where you have your swim ladder over on the starboard side. As we move up into the cockpit area, you've got a full bench seat with lots of seating all the way across that converts into a casting platform. You have a live well under the seat, blue lined lighted live well, leaning posts with multiple seating positions. Moving up to the helm, digital throttle and shift, power steering, Raymarine Axiom RV, Raymarine VHF, Fusion stereo, Lenco trim tabs. You also notice this boat is glacier green hull side, and it has the glacier green accent under the hardtop. Your entrance to the console is over here on the starboard side, which it does have a pump out head. As we step forward, you have another live well in the bow under the console seat, cushions all the way around. And as you'll notice, this boat has the full high bow rail, which is standard. Cup holders as well up here, fish box under this cushion, anchor locker here. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Please give us a call, 910-256-8100.